My name is Sheldon Grant. I am the president of Project 3D Printers. I learned the hard way that marketing has changed. I did not understand exactly how to woo and romance a customer, and the HubSpot combination really changed that for me and made that understandable. And then we were able to implement that on my website and our business. My issue was conversions. And that was the main reason that I thought I was missing something again in sales and marketing, where HubSpot made all of that very, very possible. The sales have certainly gone up. I do see that, we created a white paper and a buyer's guide and some things like that to cultivate, and again, a lot of lead capturing. I didn't understand that before, so there's a lot less of people logging on and logging off. I can see now through analytics that they're spending more time on the site and they're poking around. The whole idea of lead capturing is probably the most important, and the live chat. Those are the two that I take most advantage of. We've also set up some nice automated email sequences that I did not have before. I went from someone who did not know it exists to a far greater understanding of the funnel system. The whole idea of the funnel was foreign to me. Again, I knew my business, but did not know the rest, where this has been an amazing education that I feel like, one, I understand, and two, I have a greater control over. They have, through some wonderful calls, very personalized calls, and set aside things where I basically explain my business and my process and what I need. They are very good about filtering out and introducing, what they think you will need. I found that it is a value, and it's an investment in your business. It's an investment in the long term. And if you're prepared to make that investment, you will see the returns.